see what we can catch today. We're going to get baited up. It's going to turn nasty. It wasn't even supposed to rain this morning, but it's supposed to get up to 80 today, but I don't think that's going to happen. This is going to be the last day we're going to be able to fish, and then the weather's going to turn lousy again. They say for the next couple of weeks it's going to be in the 50s. So we're going to get baited up here and get ready. I'm going to put the minnow trap in, see if we can catch some fresh bait, but I got some of the shiners we caught a couple of days ago. I froze them, and I'm going to put some of those in. We're not going to be fishing very deep, because when it's like this, your best chance of catching fish is in the shallow water. They're staying out of the deeper water. So I'm going to put the trap in now. I'm going to put the trap in shallow too. I'm going to put the trap in shallow because we catch more shiners when it's high water if we put it in shallow. So let's get the bait trap and put it in. Well, here's the trap. We got some dog food in it, and hopefully we can catch a bunch of shiners. I got in the shallow because you can normally see the shiners. As long as you stand back, in 15 or 20 minutes I'll check it. Let's see if we get any bait. So let's get baited up and give it a go, Max. Max is on the leash because someone was walking their dog, and he loves everybody, so I got some frozen shiners that we caught the other day. I'm putting them on like that on a number 1 Eagle Claw hook, snelled hook. I'm not going to be fishing that deep. We're going to try again. We're also going to be fishing for carp, so catfish, carp, pike, bass, whatever bites. Well, today is May 1st, 2017, isn't it, Max? May 1st. Yeah. This Saturday, pike opens up and walleye. So I like pike fishing and catfishing. So I may go for some pike this weekend. We catch a lot of pike right here where we're fishing. We catch quite a few. Hard to say where we go. So I like fishing over here early in the spring. This is a great spot. What's great about it, you can drive right up to it. Oh, I can sit right in the car and sit in the seat and jump out when I get a bite. That's why we got the alarms. The homemade alarms. Got a video on that too. And they work great. Well, it's hard to say if this is going to be a productive day or not. So, well, we'll give it a while. I think this rain's going to let up. Just notice my line moving in on this first pole here. I think something's got it. It's on. It's on. I'm frozen. I think it's a pike, you know? Really catch it. It's a pike. Man, we catch a lot of pike over here. It's a pike, bud. I gotta use the net on them. Got this pike on frozen shiner. Not a big one. We got him. We got the pike, man. We got him, buddy. Oh, yeah, pretty nice colors. We'll get the hook out. Well, we didn't get skunked, even in the high water. We're still catching fish. What you gotta do is get out of the main canal and find the Widewaters. And fish that, fish the Widewaters. You got a Widewaters near you. When it's high water like this, you want to fish the Widewaters and the shallow. That's where all the fish seem to be. Well, we're gonna let this little pike go. He's just a baby. He's just a baby one, Max. We'll let him go. Pretty colors, though. There he goes. There he goes. He's gone. That was fun. Well, we broke the ice. We're also fishing for carp. I got sweet corn on. See if we can get a bigger carp today. Oh, that last one I got was a little one a few days ago. Very seldom do I catch a small carp. Well, we just caught a few shiners. Some fresh bait. Boy, that'd be good. The trap was only in 10 minutes or so. It's only in a foot of water. On a day like today, it's a great day to be pike fishing. I love this kind of weather for pike fishing. Got another fish on. I just cast this one in. Instant hit. On the cut bait, catfish. Catfish. Yeah. Small one, neither. We'll put them on our stringer. That catfish that I just caught, when I cast it in, as soon as it hit the water, the bobber went down. It got hit that fast. I couldn't show that, I couldn't get the camera on in time. It's starting to clear up a little bit. I like this little bit of drizzle though. This is great. One other thing, there's no wind at the moment. I see action on the water in different spots. Fish coming up. I don't know if you can see that little bobber, but I think it's starting to get ready to go down. It's starting to run now. Starting to run. Big old perch. We got a nice perch here on the live minnows. I'll put him on the stringer. In the hat. I got the bait. That was a good hit. That was a good hit, buddy. It's all right. Well, Max and I are going to be packing it up. We're going to get a lot more rain. Well, at least we caught some fish. We didn't get skunked. We lost quite a few, too. But we're going to get some rain. It's going to pour again. It's been raining ever since we got here. So, we'll see you on the next video.
Live and cut bait fishing with Jerry and Max is a Jerry Sheffield production.